Hello, my name is Jeff McGarry. I'm one of the managing partners here at Automation Intelligence. An example of an additive tool buffer stand that is a pretty typical application for our additive processes that we've been using here at Automation Intelligence. What we have here is essentially a tool that would be in the middle of a robotic process that would allow the robot downstream to never be starved of parts. We would have a part loaded, robot would place another one in one of the empty buffer positions. What's great about the additive process is it's quick, it's cheap. An example like this we would typically have, if we wouldn't have had an additive printed nest, it would be a steel machine nest, which would require a significant amount of machining hours and an operator to manage the machine. What we have in front of us is a print that almost worked overnight. We set it midday the previous day and it was done by midday the following day. Gave us opportunities to integrate part sensing details into the nesting features and give us something that was quick and easy to turn around and fairly inexpensive.